Alright, welcome back to the fireworks as seen from the Food City side of everything here. Turner's Falls, although they're being shot off over at Greenfield. And with my phone situation, for those of you who've been paying any attention, I should be getting one like within like 3 to 5 days. So, and hopefully that one will actually work instead of like all the problems I've been having with this. All right. It's just, I don't know. I mean, I had the IMEI and all the other stupid poop, and I did whatever online through Total Wireless, which is where I got everything, right, including the minutes, or I tried to. And every time I go into the dumb thing, the moment I go to do anything, it's like, oh, you got to call us. Right? And the only way I can make calls right now is through Wi-Fi calling, which sucks because they can barely hear me. All right, so they're missaying numbers. I'm getting mad. And yeah, this happened like 4 or 5 different times, and finally I just said the hell with it. I give up. Let's see if I can do something else. Right? Well, at least I got a semi more comfy chair than the Shea Theater, although my back is fucking murder. Sorry about my language. Hang on. There. Oops. Yeah. Don't go right there, then you're gonna be in everybody's way. You fucking jack off. Sorry. Very good. Yeah, sit down there on the road. Oops. Alright. Part 3 in a moment.